In primetime news this evening, uncertainty looms as teachers stage protest at Veer Technical High School.
TAJ defends $1 billion price tag to retrofit Mandeville office.
And Integrity Commission taken to task over failure to release details of rulings. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. My name is Janella Precious, and with a preview of what's to come in the business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, the construction industry saw a decline in output in the first quarter. I'll give the details behind that from the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ's press briefing, and also the latest gas prices. They are going to be going up or down. Stay tuned to find out.
I was about to ask you up or down.
And in sports, I think the phrase was cricket, lovely cricket. Jermaine Brown?
Thanks, Archie. Staying on that theme of up or down, well, the West Indies, they moved up in the latest ICC World Rankings. Maybe a sign of what's to come in the World Cup, which begins this weekend. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the Tax Administration Department's plans to spend over $1 billion to retrofit a leased property in Manchester?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.